Okay, no changes detected. Okay, just one second. Let me control. Okay, just one second. So you are using this table, this photo table.
Yeah, I just created that one.
Okay, one second. Photo and all. Okay, we have this thing here. Now let's see code. So you can see these dogs. Yeah. So you can see you are using which table.
Which service table?
So you have to use a B photo. Just change it. Click somewhere to take control.
It's not letting me.
Not just you made changes or not? Okay.
No, the control is not coming back to me.
Okay, just one second. Let me stop. Okay, now I just stop your sharing. Okay, now you can take control.
Yeah.
Do like you change the table name and run your application and see it's working or not, and let me know.
Normally still not working.
Not working. Share it again.
Just say that. one.
Just 1 second, let me check.
On this one, 96, is saying to insert the photo on the B service table. So do I have to make a column on the B service table too for the photos?
Just 1 second. Do one thing. Open your database. Just open this B service table. Open B service table. Mm, Okay, just 1 second. I have control. Okay, just give it one column here. Just add one column. For that, just click here. Just call it add here. Apply, then finish. Okay, it's done. Now let's see here.
On the left side, on the right.
This one,
Yeah.
this one. Okay, let's refresh this and see. Go back here. We have selected everything. Okay, just click console. Clear. Now click on submit. Okay. Please stop 92. 92. Where is 92? This one. So we are checking here file. This file biz.get file. So the problem is here. You can see you are taking value in array. Okay, just 1 second. So for that, what you have to let me get. You can take value in loop. Okay, so just 1 second. Let me show you. This .get file, and then we have if condition, and we are storing value. After that, you are again trying to get value. Okay, that's good. And here you have service table. Here we have service table. Okay, cool. So why it is showing here null? Let's debug it. So you know how to debug it? You can see I will just double click here. So it's called debug point. Then make a debug point here also. Okay, now just stop this application. Right click here, debug as, okay, and debug on server. Next, finish. not found. So what is endpoint here?
Which one? This one I can't
Endpoint name?
find. 90, the beta.
Obis.
The oath.
It's your page.
Yes.
Enter something, something. Then
We are in
select
desktop.
desktop. Let's suppose this one. Click here. Then submit and switch. And we have to wait. Okay, now we are on this line. So when you just press F6, or you can click on this line, step over. Okay, now let's see what files we have in this. You can see we don't have any file here. That's why it is showing null pointer exception. Okay, so we have to check why we don't have the file here. So how can you check this? For that, let's open file. Which one is this? biz.jsp or biz.jsp?
Is this?
Biz,
PAJS. The down one.
this one.
Yeah, yes.
Let's open this. No, this one is not. It's multi-part photo brand name. So this one. And on submit, you are going to this obis. I'm right.
Yes.
Actually, I'm talking about this page. Which one is this? This one?
What is this one? Submit, yes. Is down one.
Okay, on submit, you are calling which method? Obis. So let's see. Obis, this one, post mapping. Let's make a diva point here and see what values we are getting. Go back and then select file, open, submit, and let's see what values we have in this. Okay, you can see everything is coming null.
Yes.
That is the problem. So we have to check why this value is coming null. So let's open this biz.java. This one. So you have brand name DOE. Name brand DOE. You don't have photo in this? Okay, you have file here. Cool. And here input Name is equal to name, brand, and then file. What is that? File form this one method equal to post. Which one is it?
Fourth one from the top. A cubic MC top
This
of
one?
yes.
Why this value is coming earlier? Okay. The value is coming null from controller. You have this folder in your system. Hello.
Yes.
So actually you don't have this folder. Just create one folder and pass here that location.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay. So okay, let's create one folder on desktop. 1 second. Desktop, new, and folder. Folder name, images. Let's copy this path. But I think that is not the issue. Yes, that is not the issue. Request processing field nested exception in Java null pointer exception. Okay. Actually, Rajan,
Yes.
your code is correct. Okay, it should work. But yeah, the value in this model is coming null. So let's check this model. We have this name. We have everything here. Open this one. We have this brand name, file, then type equal to submit. Form action is always method post multiform data. Everything is good. Brand equal to ice. C image is coming null, DO is coming null, file is coming null. Name is coming mango. File is coming null. How? We have value in this. Still file is coming null. Let's see here. Input type equal to file, name is equal to file. It's coming null. Okay, that's why it will throw error. File is coming null. Hello. Rajan.
Yes, Aman.
Okay, just 1 second. In 2 minutes, Nagan sir is coming. Okay, so he will help you.
Thank you, Aman.
Hello, guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what problem you have? Show me, please.
Someone have the control.
No, no, you can. Okay, you can give me your control to me. I think I got it now. No,
Someone have
you take control first. Double click here and there, and you'll get it.
not coming, sir.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah. मैम इसका
Okay, I got the control.
आज ज़्यादा लोग हैं 33. Very nice. Hmm. What is the error you are getting?
Uh,
Null pointer is a good
null
exception.
point.
Can you show me on console? Null pointer exception is one of the most commonly faced problem. It is just cup of tea. Well, let me solve it.
Okay.
Give me the control, please. क्या है इसके आगे? See, null pointer exception is coming over here. BizDAO 92. So here, 92. So that's great. आ जाएगी. Line number 92. Why not going reaching over here? Here. See, this is coming null here. The problem is this is coming null, right? Do you understand the problem?
No.
Rajan, problem is when you say get file, it is coming null. And null, in null, you cannot perform any operation. It will be null pointer exception. So we got the problem. And let's try to understand the reason.
Okay.
So, reason is when you are submitting a form, which form you are using, can you open it quickly. Mister, can you open the
Not,
page?
yeah, it's not giving me back the control. I don't know why.
You can get it. Double click here and there.
Okay.
Hmm. Here, form, action, everything is fine. Encryption type, multi-part slash form data, everything is fine. File, blah, 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 file name, multiple, everything seems to be cool. But still you are getting problem. What is the problem? Let me check your setting. This path, सब कुछ सही नहीं है. I got the problem. You forget, you forget to add the bean. Here you have to add a multi-part view resolver, right? Mr. Rajan,
Yes, sir.
you understand what the issue is? Go and check in my code. I know there are many multiple steps. Other people you got the problem. This is okay. Problem is here in order to upload the photo to give the support to it, we need to add multi-part resolver. Can you go and add the bean over here,
Okay.
Mr. Rajan? पानी दे दो भाई ग्लास के साथ पीता हूँ मैं You don't have code, that's fine. A long process. Need time, man. We don't have that much time.
We can do this in the last of. Let me put the.
No, you do right now,
Okay.
not last, because it's not. It will not take much time. Step is important. This. Can you go to the clips? Yep. While you are searching in POM, you are doing wrong. Can you go to the clips?
Yes, sir.
Like here, we have to add a bean. This one. Sorry. Give me a sec. Other people, you are following me? This bean, we have to add it, right? Multi-part resolver. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Rajan, now you can give a try. Other thing was fine. Yeah. What happened? It's not running. Here you type URL pattern to open your form. Hey, Mr. Rajan, can you do a little bit fast, please? Yep. And when you run your project, try to run it in external browser instead of Eclipse browser. Yep. Orlo, how many people asked questions today in the session? किसी ने? Oh, everybody is very smart. Yeah. Hmm. Wow, it's coming now. Great. It's not coming.
It's not
When you are
displaying,
uploading
sir.
it, it's showing some problem. Wait,
No,
what issue is?
it uploaded successfully, but it's not displaying.
No, no. How you can say it's successfully because of message? You have to see error on the console also, right? Eclipse console. The problem is at the time of uploading the photo or at the time of fetching the photo. Unknown column ID in where class. So can you clear it? Like when you run your project, you have to be smart. Fine. So here you clear it. I'm willing to know this error is coming. You just go and upload it now. You try to upload. कोई नहीं. Here, when you upload it, you know, after that, go and check on the Eclipse console. एक second, what error is? Blah blah blah. I don't know. This is what kind of error? Bird box, right? Can you go and check in your database table? Do you have any editor? Yeah.
Yes, SQL working.
Go and open it and check it. Image is there or not? Open the. Huh? Refresh it. Image is not coming over here.
No.
It's showing B log.
Yes.
So now can you come to your fetch query? ID. Why is saying ID is the unknown column? So can you go and render it? I want to see what error is coming. I think even though this error is coming, your code is running, not a problem. Hmm. Can you go and fetch your data now? Please do it fast. No. Don't upload it. I'm saying go and fetch it. Fetch it now. Oh my God. Okay, now show the error which is coming on the console. Here it's showing something. Can you go scroll down, please? So here all this thing will come by the practice only. You can do all those things fast. Now what is the error? तो SSL error. Yeah, so this error you can fix it immediately. Let's fix this first. Can you Google it? Can you Google it अपने रीड को दिखा दिया इसने क्या हुआ कुछ क्या चेंजेस खत्म कर दो ना पूछ के अपना काम कर लेंगे इसको डाल दो why is taking time? You are not able to Google it?
This one?
This line you have whole line. Huh? Scroll down. This is regarding your jar, but it's okay. Can you scroll down? Can you go back and try with the other link? Scroll down. See, SSL problem, right? Scroll down, please. Okay, wait. Can you scroll down? Can you go up a little bit? Don't have that. Use SSL equals to. Yep. Use SSL equals to false. Use SSL equals to false. Can you go to the just copy this. Like whenever your error comes on console, at least don't copy everything. Only use SSL equals to false. And go to your this URL where you mentioned the code. Guys, I'm saying you have to do practice a lot so that you can do all those things quickly. You have to go to the Java source code, I think. Java resources, yeah. Java SRC, yep. DAO, yeah. DAO, DB config, I guess. DB config, I guess, right? I don't know, Razan, you don't know which file is. Daily open it and see. Here, you have to give other option. You just delete this, right? Whatever is create database if it exists, replace that with this use SSL. Yep, select it, double click on that. Okay, that's not everything.
Is that this one?
But you can double click on it. Double click on that word, create a database, yeah, and paste it now. And delete this true and give a try. Just do it fast, please. You have to restart it. Guys, you need a lot of practice. When you do some Java code change, don't forget to restart your server. But it's okay, right? When you do it again and again, thing will come to you. Just double. Okay, so that's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Okay, one extra and then
And go and check on the terminal. Eclipse. Now error is not coming. Okay. It's okay. Error is not coming. And if error comes, it will come always in the last. Now go and see on the console. Go in the last. Give me. Hey, yeah, unless and until you read the error, you can't do anything. You see error, unknown column ID in where class, and where it is, Mr. Rajan. Problem will come for sure. It's not your mistake. The SQL exception, unknown column ID. So you can go slowly down and try to look your class. Okay. Oh, this is. It's saying ID is wrong in the where class. So I'm opening it. You see, I don't think you are using this table, this photo table.
yeah, I created that in SQL. Each photo type.
So here, this is bring in this. We don't have. Error is coming at one line. Let me see. Unknown column ID in where class 79.
I
Okay,
think he
in this
has used the
table,
same table.
in this table, he does not have ID. I am 200%. Can you go and open it and check it? But this
No,
name is something else.
this one is in the, yeah, it's a B service table, it's another one.
To wait, kar. I think you did this mistake. You are just supposed to wait, man.
Okay, sir.
I think we are doing the same thing. The mistake is obvious. I'm not saying cannot do mistake. Mistake is fine, but we need to know how to debug it. Now you can give a try. Go and refresh your page. I think it should work. Just go ahead, please. See, guys, I'm not seeing other people, right? That's fine.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Go,
Thank you.
of course, it will work. Okay. What about other people? I'm not talking, with other people, but I will check it sometime. Okay, not today. Mathi, can you hear us? Mathi, he's not in the session. Okay. Okay. Anybody have any question query yesterday? Have you gone through? I don't know. I have shared my recording or not? Yesterday recording.
Yes, you have.
So whatever I have taught you yesterday, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
cool. So my friend, I know you haven't done my assignment. Yesterday I have given you a couple of the assignment. One is a rotation of the image, sorting of the data, and updating the image, right? Yeah, deleting the image. Something was there. I don't remember. 3, 4 assignment was there, and you guys are supposed to do that.
Yep.
You see, I don't have time. That's why I'm not talking today. Let me teach you first. Okay, I'm going to teach you continuously 45 minutes. Let's start. So yesterday we have done what is the Java 8 features. No, we haven't talked about everything. We just talked about interface in Java 8. Yeah, in Java interface, what we talked about? Don't know. We talked about like
Inner class and outer
yeah,
class.
we talked about what was the
Interfaces.
enhancement. Yeah, what was the enhancement in Java 8?
Yeah.
Then we talked about inner classes, right? Inner classes. We
Yeah.
have seen two kind of inner classes. Two kind of inner classes, yes. One was
Static.
static, and second one was non-static. Okay, I need to close. Okay. So let me, I don't know you remember or not. Somewhere we created Java 8. So, this is, no? I know it's not easy to remember unless and until you do practice. So we have seen static inner class. So static inner class can only access a static variable of the outer class, and in static inner class you can make only you can make static and non-static both. Sorry, done. And blah blah blah. Today what I'm going to teach you is local inner class and anonymous class. That is the agenda. Let's see what else we can do quickly. I'm going to open some slide if that can help us. Yep. Okay, that's great. So what we are going to do? Local inner class and anonymous class. Two things I'm going to teach you today. We have seen inner class. Your question may be, what do you mean by local inner class? Inner class, you know, right? Inner class, we have normal inner class and nested class. So these are some feature of the Java 8, right? We can read it. Default method, functional interface, lambda expression, method reference, stream API, optional interface. Sorry, it is not an interface. It is a class. Date time API, new tools. These are the topic. In this stream API is the biggest one. Okay, done. So let me teach you. Inner class, local inner class. Local inner class, you can make it, like this. If you don't understand, you have to tell me, right? Class. Class. Let me make it a little bigger. Class is like Joker, and what you can do is we can make a method. Method could be in the public static void main. It could be anything, right? Whatever you want. Public static void main. This is the starting point of the program. And here I can pass a parameter. This syntax is correct, guys. I just want to know from you. Will this code compile? Not replying.
We need to have at least one public class, right?
Class public. Class public is only class would be public when it is in the package, right? If it is not in the package, you can make it default. That's correct, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here local means I am going to define my class over here. Class home. This is called local class. What man? Local inner class. Why? Why it is called local inner class? Ashma, you tell me. Because this class is defined inside the method. And if class inside the method, you cannot make it private, public, and all, right? And this class is also can you load this class with the help of outer class? No, at all. Ashma, can we load this class with the help of outer class? Answer is
No.
We can't. Not replying. We
No.
can't load it from enclosed class, right? Why? Because if it is a static class, then only you can do it. So you cannot write static here. Why? Because local variable cannot be static, cannot be public and private, right? You know that. So I'm going to make the same thing in the Eclipse, and I need your help. The thing is, if you are not following me and you are not asking questions, you are wasting your time. Simple as that. Please remember it. Here. So here, Ashma, can I make this class private? Just answer my question.
No.
No, because this is local, and local cannot be private, public, or static and all. You can't do it. So when you make a local inner class, the local inner class can access anything inside the enclosed class. Ashma, what he said, it can access anything. Huh? You can make static and non-static. Tell me. This is important, guys. What is important? Local inner class can access everything of the outer class. Makes sense because, hello, if you want to call this method, you have to make an object of it, right? So
Yes, sir.
here, if I make a method, public wide run, you don't take tension. You think about it, right? If somebody wants to call this method, right? But I'm confusion. It's just I'm thinking. I think I did mistake. I'm thinking also. Let me think. Blah blah blah. So somebody wants to call home, right? So in order to call this, it is in static, right? Ashma, if it is in static, anybody can call this. Anybody can call main method, right? So if it is static, the home can only access what?
Static.
Static variable of the outer class. And think about it, guys. You think and tell me. If you don't understand, let me know. Ashma, what I said. It can access only static. Why? Because because I'm main is static, right? Because of it. But here, I don't know other people are following me or not. Asma, you tell me. You got a point? Why I cannot access M? Because main is static, right? Anybody can call it, right? Any class can call it. That time M might not be ready, right? M might not be ready. This. So you cannot call it. You see? Got it? If same class I make inside non-static method, then Asma, what do you think? Then it can, right? Yep. So here, can I write more than one main? Yep. You see, this is called method overloading. You know it, right? Yep. Here,
Yes, sir.
I can access both. You got the idea about local inner class, right? What about inside the method? Inside the method, you can declare integer gk 100 and you can make a final omega equals to 200. See, what about enclosed method? Any guess, Ashima? In enclosed method, you can access everything. What? Says out. Can I access GK? Ashima, I'm asking with you. Tell me. Yep. In closed method, I can access anything. GK as well as omega. So, like here, this local class method can access only that. You have to mug it. That is last. Local inner class can access what? Only final or effective final variable of enclosed method. Ashma, you need to tell me, you understand or not? Local inner class can access only final or effective final variable of enclosed method. Oh my God, what is the meaning of it? See, you need to understand what is the meaning of effective final variable. That is in Java. Like here, I'm writing integer pk, right? And after that, I'm just changing the value of pk. Asma, I'm changing the variable of pk. So you need to understand, final. Asma, this question goes to you. You tell me what is the final variable? Yeah, what do you know about the final?
It's a constant variable that cannot be modified after it's been.
I don't know. Could you please elaborate it more, please? I don't understand.
Okay, it is a constant variable that cannot be modified after it's been declared or
Yeah,
initialized.
once it is initialized,
Yeah.
right? So we have three use of final in Java. One, you can use with variable to make it constant, as you said. Second, you can make your class final so that nobody can extend it. Asma, could you please give me some example of the final classes which you know in core Java?
I don't know.
Other people can help her. Like here, I don't understand. If I'm asking this question with one people, if she or he is not able to answer, you guys can answer it. Barsa, what about you?
I don't know about that.
Okay. Final has three use. You can use with the variable. If you make your variable final, nobody can change the value of it. For example, can I change the value of amoga?
No.
No, we can't. If you try to change it, compiler will give you the error at compile time. Can you see this? A, it is final and you can't change it. Barisha, another example is if your class is final, you cannot inherit it. I can tell you the many final classes in Java. Barisha, you need to know. Final classes in Java are string. Have you heard about string?
Yeah.
Huh? Integer, system, scanner. I will always tell you only five, right? String, system, scanner, and these are the final classes. You guys are not replying.
Yes, sir.
Can I extend string? Barsha, no. If I'm trying to extend it, it is giving me what? Error.
Error.
Joker cannot subclass the final class string. Okay. Another is final method. You cannot override it. I have done with this. So like here, I'm not able to access PK. You know why? You have to reply. Like PK, you just make a variable in Java 8. If you make a variable like GK and you have assigned 100, after that GK we are not changing it. Then this GK is called, you are not replying, final effective variable. What man?
Final.
Final effective variable.
Yeah, final. Yeah, you can. Yeah, or you can say effective final. Here GK is effective final. Why? Once you initialize, after that you are not changing its value throughout the method. That's why GK is called effective final, and PK is a normal variable because PK you are modifying. So since GK is effective final, I can use it inside my local inner class. My local inner class says, what says? Hey, I can access only effective final variable of my enclosed method. Please remember it. But what about outer class? Enclosed class is depend on, if you are in the static method, you can access only static. If you are inside the non-static method, then you can access both. I don't know you are able to understand this much or not, because I remember
Yes,
when
sir.
I was student like you, I always confuse and forget it. And I don't know this is true for you guys or not. I always can get confused.
Professor, like once,
I'm not scared.
I'm sorry, once
I'm just kidding. Hmm.
hello, can you hear me now?
Please go ahead.
Yeah,
Yeah,
actually, once when we declare a class final, so we cannot extend it, right?
exactly. I said like that.
Yeah, and what if I like once I declare final one class and I declare, I mean another class after that, so can that class be extend or not? Can we extend that class?
I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay, so
I have a
like you did.
class. Let me write it. I have a class A, which
Mhm.
is final.
Okay.
Then
So inside that final class, again you write one inner class.
class B. Nope.
Yeah. Can we
Done.
extend that B?
Yeah. B you can. B you
Oh,
can.
okay.
Class C extends A dot B.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Right. Oh, cool. Why is crying for C? Non-class A available due to some immediate constructor invocation. Give me a second. Actually, you see,
Oh.
actually B only you can use by making an object of. If it is a normal inner class, you know it, right?
Uh-huh.
So this class you cannot use anywhere without instance of B. Sorry, B
A.
you cannot use anywhere without creating instance of A. That
Mhm.
we know. That we know, right?
Yes,
That's
sir.
why I make it static. Make sense?
Hmm.
Done.
Thank you.
Okay, that's great. I don't know. You guys understand about local inner class? Yes, we understand, right?
So, what's the difference between final and effective final?
Yeah, yeah. Uh, The effective final is concept of Java 8. Java 8 says if you declare some variable and you are not changing it anywhere, I will treat that variable as a final. That's it. That's concept. So if you are making any variable and you are not making it final, so it will behave as a final. Remember it. That's why GK is effective final and PK is not final, because after initialization you are making change to it. Mhm.
Got it.
I got to it. What about other people? See, guys, I am not talking with you, right? And you are
Yes,
not
sir. We
asking
got it.
questions. Okay.
I
So
got it.
other people. Okay, that's great. Then let me jump to my. So far, we are not doing anything. So far, it was just here and there. Okay, enjoying. Let's come to the main topic now. My job starts now. I'm going to teach you what you are going to teach. I'm going to teach you local inner class. That is, my class starts from here now. So what is the anonymous class? A class without name is called anonymous class. Very nice. Class without name is called anonymous class. Very confusing. I'm defining a class, but this class does not have any name. Good. Class without name is called anonymous class. Very interesting. So in order to make the anonymous class cannot exist independently, right? This class can't exist independently. Meaning is, if you want this class, then you need an interface, right? This class cannot exist independent. Meaning is, we need, है ना? We need either what? We need either an interface or interface or class. Wow, confused? Yeah, super confused. Let me show you. I have a class. Sorry, let me start with interface, right? You know how to design the interface? Yep. Interface runner. In this runner, can I declare a method? Public void execute method. The syntax is correct, guys? Reply man.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And I want to make a anonymous class. So what I need to do? Like here, you tell me this syntax is correct or not. You have to answer to me. Will this code compile?
No.
No? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we cannot make the object of interface.
Yeah.
Okay. Very confident, right? That's correct. You guys are right. We can't. Can I break into two lines? Yep. Tell me, Ajma, this question goes to you. First line will compile or not? First line.
Yes.
Yeah, this is fine. Why?
This
Since
interface worker.
it is just a reference of
Interface.
interface type. Exactly. It is just interface reference of interface type. But this is not correct. Why? We cannot instantiate.
And interface.
We can't instantiate what? Interface. Right. But you know, like here in an anonymous class, what you can do is please come with me. TT equals to, you can write New Ashma. Which is implementing runner. You know, Ashma, here I'm not writing semicolon. Here I'm writing curly bracket open and close. Hey, what I did? Curly bracket open and close. You got my point? Please answer my question.
Yes, yes,
New
sir.
runner, curly bracket open and close, and semicolon. Oh my God. So what's meaning is, like if you write new interface parentheses curly bracket open and close, means you are saying, hey, I'm not making an object of runner. I'm making an object of the class which is implementing runner. If you implement runner, then you have to override which method? Public void execute.
Execute.
Ashma, you got the fender? Here, what I'm doing is, please, if you understand this, my job is done. What I'm doing here, I'm going to say, hey, this is cool. Hey, this is cool. Ashma, you got the funda?
Yeah.
Like here, I'm making an object of runner. No. Here, why? Because I don't have new runner and semicolon. We have new runner, curly bracket open and close and semicolon. And in this, since it is implementing the interface, right? That's why I'm over. If you implement any interface, you have to give the definition of the method declaration in the interface. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
Ashma, here you tell me, here I'm creating an object of runner. No. What I'm doing here? I'm creating
Creating a class
instance
that
of,
implements an interface.
yeah, I'm creating instance of a class which is
Implementing.
implementing
Runner interface.
runner interface. You have to always talk like this with me. Hey, I'm making instance of the class which is implementing runner, means this class does not have name. What I said? You would say nothing. I said it means this class
Has no name.
does not have a name. You guys agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This class does not have name. That's why it is called this class does not have any name. That's why it is called.
An anonymous class.
So it is anonymous class. Oh, let me set it. This class does not contain the name. That's why it is an anonymous class. I have done. I hope I am making myself clear.
So,
Yep.
in the second line where you have new runner, semicolon, is that TT
Yes.
or you just, okay.
The TT is the reference, right? So
Is
you
it
know.
TT or TT? I'm just confused if it's just a different.
Okay. Okay. Of course, you tell me it should be it should be 2 TT, right? Not 3 TT.
Yeah.
It's fine. You are right. So, hey guys, can I call my method with the help of super class? Reference can call implementation of subclass. You know the core Java, right? Can I call my
Yes,
method
yes, sir.
execute method? So,
Yes, sir.
so if I call this method, what will be the output of it?
Hey, this is
Hey, this is cool.
Hey, this is cool. Done. Anybody have any query regarding the anonymous class? Arts clear. Sabita, what about you?
I'm good so far.
That's great. Okay, cool. Done. Let me show you the example. Somebody saying, hey, can you type the same thing in the Eclipse? Why not? Do you think it will take time? No, at all. What I'm going to teach you, anonymous class. Please help me. What I need to do? Interface. I need to make interface. Interface is pooler. Whatever you want to write it. Interface pooler. In this method, we have public void z. It is correct, right? And this g is taking one parameter, string message. Asma, this is clear to you?
yes, sir.
Can I make an anonymous class? Yes, we are expert in that. How? I would say pooler new pooler. Huh? It is correct. No, I cannot make
No,
a
sir.
No.
no.
You can
Oh,
you can make an instance of
can I
interface.
make here? You have to make new pooler automatically. You know. You see? Oh my God! I am too fast. How I did it? You just type two letter and control space bar automatically is coming. Ashma. Here I am making an object of pooler. No. Here I am making an object of class which is implementing pooler, and in here you are overriding this method. Ashma, got my point?
Yes.
And here you can print a message. What? Just out. Hello. Magic of what? Message. Can we call this method? How? ppp dot no dot z, and here you can pass some parameter, Mr. Jack. You know output is when you call the
Hello, the
method, it
magic
will
of
call
Mr.
that.
Jack.
Exactly. You guys are smart. Done. Oh, I don't know. I'm moving fast or we are on track?
It's good so far.
It's good.
So far, it's good for me.
Good.
I have one question, Nagendra sir. So, as part of Java 8, the basic modification was that we can define itself inside the interface, right? So, what's the use of having this new feature with Anonymous class?
You know, an anonymous class is not a feature of Java 8. Anonymous class is general concept.
Okay,
That's fine.
okay, yeah, that's fine.
You tell me in this interface how many methods we can have? Multiple method.
Multiple.
Multiple we can have. Here I'm going to write another method that is called joke. It's fine.
Yep.
So that's fine. And you know, so here I have to override both the method.
Yeah.
Right. And here you can say she's out. Hello. This is not joke. Anything to write. I don't care. And message. Oh, that's great. It's clear, right?
Yeah.
Let me show you another example. I'm writing another example, omega. Yeah, anonymous class 2. Anonymous class 2. And here I'm making interface power. And what this interface is doing, this interface is just returning integer, and here we have a method execute, and this is taking integer itself. That's cool. Yep. Can we write an anonymous class of it? Yep. How? Yep. You know, right? You want to see style power? I can write power. New power. It's fine.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Okay. So this is power, and this power is doing what? Whatever number you are passing, it is just multiplying 3 times itself and returning. That's easy, right? Hmm? Yep.
Yeah.
So I don't. I hope you do not have any confusion so far. Execute, and you can pass 5, and it will return the result, integer result, and sys out. The result is what? Result. If I run this program, output will be 125. 125. Okay, that's nice. Like here, this this anonymous class is a special anonymous class. Let me write it. This is a special anonymous class. Why I'm saying this is a special anonymous class? This is special anonymous class, right? Why? Because this is
So
anonymous
I have
class.
one question.
Please go ahead.
The so whenever we want to implement a method that is inside an interface, right? So we have to
Mhm.
override it in order to use that values.
Yeah, this is a normal interface concept. You can delete it, right? You know,
Mm.
when you implement any interface, whatever method is there, abstract method, you have to implement it for sure to
Yeah.
make it concrete class, right? And auto override only ensure you are overriding proper method, right? If you do some mistake, compiler will give you the compile time error. Are you following me? So
Yeah.
this is kind of check. By mistake, you should not do mistake for that purpose.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's what I was confused about the
Yeah, yeah.
override thing.
No, yeah, auto override you can delete it. It's not mandatory. It's kind of
Okay.
helmet. When you are running your scooty or bike, you are just wearing a helmet, right? It's
Yeah,
not
it
mandatory. It is up
helps
to you.
us rookies, just to know that
Yeah,
it
yeah.
is there.
Yeah,
We,
sometime you may be thinking, hey, I'm overriding the method, but you are not overriding the method because you are doing mistake. So this will ensure you cannot do mistake by mistake.
okay. Thank you.
So guys, this is special anonymous class. Why? Because because here because here we are using functional interface. Am I right? To make anonymous class. This is special anonymous class because we are using functional interface. That's correct. A power is a functional interface or not? Who will
Yes.
answer to me? Ashima, you tell me. Yes, right? Why power is functional interface? Answer is
It
power is
has
a
only
functional
one
interface.
abstract method.
Because it has only one abstract method, right? Cool. So guys, if you have only one abstract method, I would like to show you some observation over here. Ashima, you tell me, if my power is an anonymous class, right? Sorry, if my power is a functional interface, how many method will be in this interface? Only one, right? So tell me, Ashima, you come with me. I'll just show you some special thing, right? Done.
Yes, sir.
I'm done with my job. Let me put everything in the Venn diagram to make it easy. Here I'm just making here. Ooh. So in this example, this is anonymous class, and this is a functional interface, right? So tell me, Ashma, in this functional interface, there will be only one method. That is true. Okay. And what? And you tell if you talk about syntax. Let me show you. If you talk about syntax, let me show you some good observation in this. I'm going to
Professor,
yes, please, yes,
though we
please. Tell.
though we haven't given the interface annotation, so the JVM will understand it.
Yeah. It is optional. Again, it is helmet, right?
Oh, okay,
If you
cool.
write a functional interface,
Hmm.
then compiler cannot allow you to add any method declaration. That's it.
Oh, okay.
So even though you are not writing it, still it is functional interface if it has only one method declaration. It has only one abstract method.
All right. Thank you.
Functional interface. Okay. So my friend, in this program, right? Let me write it again. I need this much. In this program, we have some observation. What observation? Let me show you. My observation is, oh, cool. My observation is, Ashma, this, if you have here power, here it will be power for sure. Answer to me. Asma, here in left side we have power, right side it will power or not? Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
If here we have mocha, this will be mocha, correct?
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
And whatever method you are going to call over here, execute this method, this much, right? Return type, sorry, access specifier, return type, and method. It will also depend on the method declaration. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Ashma, public integer execute. This will also depend on the interface method declaration, right? So
Yes, sir.
Java says why you are wasting your time, why you are writing new power and this much, right? Why? Because I know if it is power, it will be power. And I know in my method declaration, if you have public integer execute, then it will be public integer execute. Ashma, the Java 8 says, don't write this much. Only you write a method parameter, and here you use one arrow operator. Then curly bracket open and close, and your a semicolon you put after the definition. You see? Oh my God, what a Ashma, come with me.
Yes,
Like here, whatever you are writing in the anonymous class, you can give the shortcut code. This is shortcut of it. This is an anonymous class itself. What? This is anonymous
sir.
class. What I have deleted? A new
New
power
power.
parenthesis, because I know this is always same as a left. In left you have power. It is a new power. That's why I deleted it. And this method public integer execute anyway you'll come to know from left side. Not required. So what we have, my dear
Parentheses.
friend, if you confused, let me know. Let me write it again right here.
Yeah, I think Sarika, she taught us at the end.
Yes, she has gone through lambda expression.
Like here I haven't done anything, right? Lambda says, sorry, I haven't said lambda. Okay, I'm doing shortcut. I'm just making it shorter. So delete this and delete this much, right? Lambda says, yeah, Java 8 says you just write, input, method input, and here you put one arrow operator and curly bracket open, and here you put semicolon. You know point? That's it.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello? You
Yes,
delete
sir.
this also. That's it. You have to think like that always, okay? Man, it will come by practice. So can I write like this? Power. You have to say yes or no, right? Let me write it. Sir, this will come by the practice. I am telling you. And today onwards, I'm going to use only lambda. Power. What I can do? I can directly write parentheses, and I would say how many parameters taking?
One.
Integer num.
One.
With me? And you can
Yes,
use
sir.
arrow operator, then bracket, open and close, because this is definition. And in definition, what you can write? Whatever you want to do, right? After curly bracket, you can write semicolon. You confuse?
No.
Same
No,
thing.
sir.
Whatever you have earlier, I'm just writing in the shorter form. I'm telling you, whatever you have earlier and whatever you have now, no difference. Ashma, you have to always think in the opposite direction, right? This means you have to think this one. So second form is called lambda. This is called Java, one of the popular feature that is called lambda expression. Lambda. I don't know, you confuse or understand?
It's clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
Um,
Lambda
I
expression.
have a question.
Please.
If we have more than one methods with the same parameter, let's say if we have a different method with int num, then it's not going to get confused when we make that expression inside our anonymous class.
If you have more than two parameter?
More than two methods
No, this
inside.
is, yeah, you are right. But this is not for more than two method. This you can convert your anonymous class, which is designed by functional interface. Two method will never come. Are you following
Oh
me?
yeah,
So what
yeah.
is the prerequisite? I think your question is very genuine. What is the prerequisite for lambda? You
Functional
can
Only
convert your
one
interface.
code.
abstract.
You can convert your code into lambda expression. When you convert into lambda expression, if your anonymous class, what is the prerequisite? If your anonymous class is based on
Functional interface.
Functional interface. Somebody is saying, hey, I have an anonymous class, but it is not based on functional interface. Can we convert it to lambda? Answer is no.
No.
Oh,
If your anonymous class is based on functional interface, then you can convert into lambda expression. I hope you got the funda.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me show you the magic. Magic? Yes. Like this code and this code are same, right? Let me write the same code as a lambda. I need your help. If you want to convert your code in lambda, what I need to do? Here you can say power 1, na? New power, but you know style? Delete this much and reach to here, method parameter. And here you just write a one arrow operator and here semicolon. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is nice. Next one, like here in Java, we have a rule. Java 8 says, hey, if you have in parentheses, you can remove the data type also. Ashma, done. So in the parentheses, parameter data type is not required. Why? Because already it is written in the method declaration. Got it?
Okay.
So this data type is optional
No.
or not?
Yes.
Yes,
Yep. So first and second one is same. And Java 8 says, hey, in your method parameter, if you have only one parameter, so you can omit parentheses also. Got
okay.
it?
Yes,
You
sir.
can delete data type. You can, if we have only one parameter, if we have only
So
one
the
parameter.
all three different ways is correct, right?
No, yeah, these all, I would say all four are same syntax, right?
Yeah.
This, all are same. And let me write Java 8 says, I have another compact form. What? Asma. It says, if in method definition, how many statements you have in method definition? If in method definition, if in method definition, we have only one statement, right? If in method definition we have only one statement, then Ashma, you can delete this curly bracket also.
Yes, sir.
Hello, what is it? In method definition, we have only one statement. What you can do, you can delete this curly bracket also. So when you delete curly bracket, you have to delete return statement also. Please remember, it's not required. Oh, hello, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes. I said we have only one statement, then you can delete this curly bracket, open and close, right? Then you don't need return also. So you can write like this. My God, it's become too compact. Hello. This
Yes, sir.
this statement you can expand. Like is a bigger one. Magic. Done. Here I can call which method? Dot execute method, and here you can
Execute.
pass 6. So it is going to multiply. Like 6 will, magic. So it is going to connect with num will go to the 6 and multiply and return back to you. You can print the value of this whole done. You guys got confused or you got this much?
We got it.
Yes, sir. We got it.
And
This
I'm
much.
telling, let me make it a little bit interesting. See, this interface, right? I can call in a method. Here, can I write a method? Public, static. This is last for today. Magic. Hmm? And this method is taking interface as a parameter. Can I do that? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is taking as a parameter, right? Yep. So, and here in interface, we can call the method, right? How? pk dot execute, and you can pass this pk. Sorry. You can pass some number, no? 9.
Yes, sir.
And if you're confused, let me know. Or this number can I pass as a parameter? Yep. So that I can compute, cube of any number, result. And here you can print this out Tomorrow I'm going to show you many example of it, all right? Many. And after onwards, I'm going to use Java 8 only, right? We have to apply Java 8 everywhere, wherever it is possible. So my friend, can I call this method magic? Ashma, if I want to call the magic, in magic I can pass the interface. Which interface? Power 4,
R4 with a number.
comma, we have to pass a number. So what happened? You are passing power 4. Power 4 means you are passing this function definition, right? And when you call pk.execute, you guys confuse?
No, sir.
Your pk is holding the function definition and you are calling this function back. This allows Java 8 to support functional programming. Last part you understand? It would become very weird. Let me show you the magic. Ashma, here I am passing power 4. Can I pass this right side also directly, Ashma? Yes. Because this is anonymous class. In anonymous class, you are holding in the interface, then you are passing the interface. But can you pass this directly, Ashma? Yes. Oh my God, confused. Like here, if you can pass this to power reference, then this you can pass in the parameter, and eventually it is going to this. Yes, you know.
Yes.
People, last one you have to digest. What I said. And not only this much. Let me show you the other power. Hey, can we pass this anonymous class definition? Yes, guys, it will be more weird to you. What if like anything we can pass this to the method, we can pass this to the method, right? We can anything we can pass. All are same syntax, guys. Here I'm passing my interface power. Here I'm passing the definition of it, right? And here I'm passing my anonymous class. Everything will work. But this kind of syntax seems weird or not, but in your daily programming, you will see everywhere. Okay. So my friend, I hope you got this much or got confused.
Got it.
Just go and have a look and make this kind of practice to write the code. Done.
Yes, sir.
Like here, I have only one request to you guys. Okay. In session, try to ask the questions. Okay. Confusion is very genuine. I'm not saying if I teach you, you will not get confused. You'll get confused, of course. But good thing is, if you have confusion, you should ask questions immediately and don't care about other people. Sometimes you think if I ask some questions, people maybe start to laugh on me. Okay, they maybe think I'm fool. Okay, don't think like that. We are fool altogether. I'm saying that. It's fine because we
Yes,
don't
sir.
have knowledge, right? If you don't have knowledge in that area, we are fool, right or not? We
Yes,
don't know
sir.
everything, right? So that's why I'm saying you don't care about other people. You just care about yourself and be very selfish. Okay, you have to think about yourself only. It's okay. So my main thing is if you have any question query in between the session, please discuss with me. And don't care about it. This question is very small, right? If I ask what other people will think about me, don't think you should not think about them, right? You think about yourself. So my friend, that's why I'm telling you, sometimes you think whatever I'm teaching you, you are not able to understand, let me know. Simple as that. Done. So what I'm expecting from this class, whatever I have done today, you have to just do practice up that much and come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to teach you what are the most frequently used, functional interface. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Like consumer, supplier, function, predicate, by predicate, by function, unary operator, binary operator, all those things. Fine. And
Yes,
Java
sir.
8 is not easy, but the way I'm teaching you, if you follow me, it would be easy for you. But don't hesitate to ask questions. So this thing I'm saying again and again, I don't know. But when I go to the last, I came to know, oh my God, we don't know anything. That is the problem, right? That's why you may be getting, irritated also. He's always asking, do you have any question? Do you have any questions? Reason is. So guys, from tomorrow, I would like to talk to you people. Why? So that I can come to know whatever I'm teaching you, you guys are following me or not. Fine. So
Yes,
now you have enough thing in your plate. You have to go through Java 8, whatever I'm teaching you. Apart from that, you have already assignment in your hand. Okay. So in last, anybody have any question query for me? Any question query if you have?
No, sir.
No? We are good?
Yes, sir.
sir. I'm good.
Okay, guys. So I'm just giving my session till here.
When is the
Yep.
assignment due?
Assignment I have given you. Assignment is due. Yeah, you can show me on by Monday.
Okay,
Yep.
okay, I'll try.
Here. Yeah. You guys try. I'm only saying you try your best. Fine. If you need
Yes,
my
sir.
help, let me know.
Got it.
Okay. So tomorrow I would start your session 30 minutes early because I need to make some progress. Okay. So tomorrow session would be around 90 minutes. Something 80 minutes would be enough. Okay. Done.
Yes.
Okay. Bye then.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day. See you next session. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Thank
Bye bye.
you.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye.